Yo, what's up? There are so many huge, big changes coming to Bali nowadays. And here we go. Here is some changes coming to Sanur also. Last time was the changes in Ubud and changes in Kuta, but now there are changes in Sanur and they are something more than you expect. This is not what usual we are talking about, so stay tuned. There will be some reconstruction in Puri Santrian Hotel. As you see, here was like a tables or sunbeds, and this everything is gone. But the biggest change is here on the other side. Probably you wasn't expecting that, but yes, all the warungs here, there was the huge lane of the warungs, are totally gone. They are just out of business. And yeah, here we go, guys. All the warungs here were gone. That was the empty land over here for ages, for decades. And here was some small local warungs. Also, they are gone. They was here for decades. And let me explain what's happened here. Simply for decades, here is huge empty land, what is ready for some hotel, but never anyone get rights to build any hotel here. And here on the other side there was some local warungs, like a local small old warungs, and they were here also for the few decades since anyone remember. Many of you also have a great memories here. They was owned by the local Balinese people mostly, and you met many friends with the locals, with the other foreigners, but unfortunately or fortunately everything is gone here. There are obviously few pros and cons. One positive aspect, maybe start talking about positive aspects, is as there will be more bright here, because this part of the Sanur was avoided by many people because of this ugly wall, and here is the huge land over there, and also here was the backside of the warung. So basically this path looks even spooky or even scary for some people, and was super dark during even the sunny day like now. Now, unfortunately or fortunately, everything is gone. Looks like this. And many of you will ask, why, Damian, why? What's happened? Well, the answer is simple. There will be the new promenade starting from Mercure, from Mertasari Hotel up to Harbor to going to Nusa Lembongan, Nusa Penida. There will be the new promenade. As you see, here is the one lane, and everywhere in Sanur is one lane like this, but there will be another lane over here. Where is the Prama Sanur Hotel? They already start construction of this. It's too hot to go there, but you have to trust me. I will make a vlog at Sanur every week at least, so you will see next week, next month probably the progress of the construction anywhere. So the main reason why everything is gone and everything is changing, there will be the brand new promenade in Sanur. What I was thinking and talking with many of my friends and local people, since I live in Bali, Sanur should have a beautiful promenade. And ladies and gents, in 2021 we're gonna have it. But of course there is so many controversy about that and everything. That's kind of normal thing, but either we like it or we don't like it. There will be the brand new promenade in Sanur. You can name the names of the warungs what were here. Some were here also. I think where is the blue thingy, that was the jackfish, quite famous. I used to eat there also sometimes. But yeah, simply all single warung here must to be out due to the reconstruction. Also, there are few rumors. I heard as here, where is the huge land. This is many hectares of land in Sanur ocean front. There will be the construction of the Intercontinental Hotel, but this is only rumors, and I heard that from someone who is watching me. Make a comment below. But I was looking for information about that, and I cannot confirm anything, and nobody know anything about the construction of the hotel, what potentially could be here. Well, there are also pros and cons about that, if that will ever happen, but not today to comment about that, because nothing happened yet. So if something potentially will happen one day, here was the jack and fish. If something will happen about the construction of a hotel, we will talk about that, because that will be for many years construction. Intercontinental groups, they building super huge hotels around the world, so here will be the same, if so, because obviously today we don't know anything about that. Meanwhile, yeah, that's how it looks. Pretty sad view right now, but each day the construction is going more and more into progress, so we will see how that's gonna look in the future. Also interesting fact is everything on the Sanur beach, what is on the side from the promenade, which is this path going into ocean, it's public place. So this warungs was actually temporary warungs waiting for somebody gonna buy the land. However, they was waiting like for decades. That's why they looks like permanently here. But that was only temporary warungs, and also they was not registered in any way. There was not like a restaurant or hotels or anything what is registered. That's why they have nothing to say. So this is the end of the line, and that's how it looks inside the land. Obviously super huge land going into the area of Pepito in Sanur, so it's many hectares of land there. We will see what's future gonna brings to this area. And also this construction, somebody said that will be the public toilet, but they start that before somebody get idea of making the promenade. Also I'm gonna show you the huge warungs now, I mean the officially registered restaurants what are on the other side of this part of Sanur, and they also have to reconstruct everything, including the Sol on the beach on the north part of Sanur, and everywhere where you saw, everybody have to reconstruct, give the space, because obviously everything on the land side it's registered, but everything on this beach side, if somebody have a hotel, have a sunbeds on the beach, or any restaurant have a beanbags or tables on the beach, this is public area. And if something by government, by the promenade gonna establish, which is government project, they have to give the space for that, no matter of what. And I don't know if you realize, most of the hotels in Bali, including the Hyatt Hotel and stuff like this, they never ever built any building, any restaurant or anything on the beach, on the other side, because they knew the consequences potentially in the future. A little bit a memorial wall here. Here was the some restaurant owned by the Aussie maids. Few of you guys are always interested about this place, having great memories, so this is for you guys. And here is still a little bit of the local area, so many fishermen, jet skis company and stuff like this. All of them here, they will need to give the space. The construction of the promenade is very slow still. It's going very slow. There is not really heavy machinery doing this, many people doing this manually, starting from the west, southwest and north part. So the middle will be like they're gonna meet together or something like that. So seems like everything here will go, give the space for the new promenade. And no matter what did you heard about me, like 50 Cent song, no matter what did you heard in Bali about the beaches, all beaches in Bali, including the Sanur, they are public beaches. So for example, like the restaurant over here, there is the restaurant, and the owner of security or somebody gonna tell you, as you cannot chill, enjoy your time on the beach. It's not true. You have rights, because everything is public here. And if somebody's saying to you, as you cannot, because this is my restaurant, this is my hotel, this is not true, and you have rights to complain to the management, for example, or to the local authorities in Sanur or in Bali. Same is with this hotel over here, for example. They have a hotel over there, there's the Fairmont, but they have a sunbeds here. So when it will be the promenade construction here, they have to move out somewhere, I don't know, more deep to the beach or completely in the different area, because the path, the promenade is totally public. Also, like here, there was the part of the one of the warungs next to Lila Pantai, I forgot the name. Here they already start reconstructing the bamboo construction, because obviously they need to give the space here. So this is the official warung where they are registered, and this is like a permanently what they are just have something here. They need to give the space. I'm not sure about this temple, what they're gonna do with the temple, because as I know they cannot move temples in Bali, so maybe they will be around, or will be in this point will be just small. But after that, that's how it looks like. Here's the Lila Pantai at the front. It's today earlier, is 3:30, so it's a bit hot, but it's better light to show you how it looks like. And also more and more warungs deep inside. They already making the reconstructions, giving the space for the promenade. Like this one, for example, there was the all bamboo constructions or sheds or something like that. They already destroyed this, and they just put temporary the tables to give the space. So obviously will be the brand new promenade. Here is completely gone. They pulled some tent. there will be everything will here change. All right, guys, cheers. Just stop for the break. It's super hot, and well, obviously was talking also with the waiters here and everything. It's a lot of pros and cons about this, but obviously she also confirmed as everything on the beach side is public, so they have to give the space. Also interesting his fact about what's gonna happen in the land over there. It's gonna be any hotel or not. That was the empty land for decades. Nobody never got the land there, so will be also very interesting. It's many pros and cons, but will be also many positive aspects if finally somebody gonna build the hotel there. Just you know, many people will get a job and stuff like this. Also will looks better in my opinion than just ugly fence for ages. That was the same situation with the Hyatt Hotel for ages, and whenever they open, many people start walking around, but before that they was avoid because it was obviously ugly. Yeah, that's how it looks situation in Sanur. So many big changes are coming. In the few next weeks, you will see the progress because obviously I'm doing the vlog in the area at least once a week. If it will be something more interesting, I will do more often. You can comment below what do you think. I hope so you will watch, you will enjoy. And yeah, that's how it looks. The situation is very hot in Bali nowadays, seriously, like, and my eyes are so in pain because of the sun. That's why I always wear the sunglasses like this one. Also, let me know in the comment section what do you think about after so many years. I think that's the promenade in Sanur established like in 1970s when the Grand Ina was starting, like the path, and now after few decades, probably 50 years, will be the double lane and probably will be looks more clean and beautiful and refurbished. Comment below what do you think about that. Would you like to prefer to keep everything how is it now, how it was? Are you excited about the changes? Because personally I'm pretty excited about the changes. I feel a little bit sorry what's gonna happen with the warungs, like this one for example, or any other, because this is obviously public area, so there's a lot of you could talk about that for many hours, many pros, many cons. But comment below what do you think about the potentially not potentially, there will be the brand new promenade in Sanur. Comment below what do you think about that. Yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and as always, see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.